function d by dx of 1 dividing by x power n. The question need not be always in the numerator. So what we do, we modify this one, we write it as d by dx of x power minus n. So we bring it to numerator. We know the chain rule. So chain rule is, we are considering the power as some other constant. Instead of that one, we differentiate this one. N is nothing but minus n here. So minus n, then x power should be reduces by 1. So what is the differentiation of x power n? N times x power n minus 1. So here minus n is there, so we write it as it is, minus n into x power minus n minus 1. So we take minus common here, minus n into x power, minus is taken common, so we get minus of n plus 1. Now minus n, this one, the complete term, we modify and we write it as 1 dividing by x power n plus 1. So what we can do, 1 by x square, we can write it as x power minus 2. Similarly, x power minus 2 can be written as 1 by x square. So here we must remember that the question is in the form of 1 by x power n, then we must write minus n dividing by x power n is the formula. So we discuss some problems related to this one. Let us consider y equal to 1 by x square. So this is, we can apply the quotient rule, but numerator is 1, we did not go for quotient rule. Denominator is algebraic function is there, so we use 1 by x power n formula. What is n? N is 2 here, n is 2, so 2 in the numerator, minus 2 we must write. Why? Because we get minus here, so minus 2, and denominator we must add 1, so minus 2 dividing by x power 3. So do not get confused with this one. So we have the two formula, one is for x power n as well as 1 by x power n x. So we modify this one, root x can be written as x power 1 by 2. So here what is n? N is 1 by 2. dy by dx, we can write it as n, first we must write n is 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1. This is the formula for d by dx of x power n times x power n minus 1. Now we simplify this one, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. So we bring x power minus 2 minus 1 by 2 into denominator, it become 1 dividing by x power 1 by 2. So here 1 dividing by 2, this x power 1 by 2 can be written as root x. So y is root x, then differentiation of this one is 1 by 2 times root x. Remember this one, we must write the answer straight away instead of using this much. So let us consider small modification from this one. So instead of x, I am writing x square plus 5x plus 1. So what we do, we have the formula for only root x, not for root x square plus 5x plus 1. What we do, we use the chain rule. So for chain rule, we must consider t equal to x square plus 5x plus 1. So we differentiate this one with respect to x. Right hand side x is there, differentiate with respect to x. So we are familiar with the formula. X square differentiation can be written as 2x plus 5 into x is 5. 1 differentiation is 0. Now the question y become square root of the complete x square plus 5x plus 1 is t d y, differentiate y with respect to t. So we have the answer from here. Root x is 1 by 2 times root x. Instead of x we have t. So what is t? T is nothing but this one. So here dy by dx is 1 dividing by 2 times root t into differentiation of this one is 2x plus 5. We write the answer in terms of x. 2 times square root of x square plus 5x plus 1 is the answer.